guys, this video was actually dedicated to you. I want to thank you guys so much for supporting me. I designed a Starbucks cup based on everything and all the thoughts, all the quotes I want to give you guys, and everything that happened this year. It was amazing what happened. You guys really supported me and you really helped me get through those hard times by reading your comments. They were just amazing. So first I colored her crown gold because I just think that you guys rule, and this crown stands for just us, and I want to thank all my subscribers. I got this little Christmas themed I'm not really sure, and then we got like these sprinkles and like lights everywhere, so that's what it is. At the top there's like these little string lights. Open the cup, that's what it looks like. So we've got some leaves around too, and this is a cup based on everything that happened in 2018. So I want to say hello 2019 and Merry 2018. So the 8 got a little smudged, but that's okay. And here I say thank you to 80 subscribers. I can't believe we made it to 80 something subscribers. One thing I want to wish for before the end of this year is to reach 100 subscribers. I hope you guys can help me reach that by the end of the year. So this was the drink that I drank. It was a toffee nut toffee nut crunch latte. It was kind of sweet, but it tasted pretty good. And here sorry about that, my neighbors are just making so much noise. So here I just wrote nicktasticfam rock, because you guys rock and I seriously love you guys so much, and I love you guys so much. And here's a little doodle that I do. I love to do these kind of doodles, but it's really hard to draw on the cup, so I just did like a little at the side. And here are some quotes I want to say to you guys. I want to say don't stop dreaming, because at points in life I just feel like giving up and not following my dream, but you know, you just gotta keep doing it. At points, sometimes you're gonna have failures and everything, but failure is just another reason to start over. So don't stop dreaming, be sure to love yourself, and always be kind to others. So this is my custom Starbucks cup, and thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and help me reach 100 subscribers by the end of the year. That's it for this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!